Hello children, welcome to our maths class. As our lesson capacity is going on, let's see the textual pages. Solve the following question in your notebook. The capacity of a tub is 18 liter. What is the capacity of 4 such tubs altogether? Let's solve. We can solve it by using the repeated addition method like 18 plus 18 plus 18 plus 18. We can do the repeated addition. 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 is 32. 2 will be here and 3 will be carried on the tens place. 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 1 7. The answer you will get, that is the 72 capacity of that 72 liter. Okay. Now again one method is there. The other method is, that is box method. We have to do the expanded form of this 18. Expanded form means 8 is on the ones place, means 8 ones, and 1 is on the tens place, 10 plus 8. This is the expanded form of this 18. Okay, 1 tens, 8 ones. That's why 10 plus 8. Now let's do with the box method. Here I have written 18 in the expanded form, 10 plus 8. Then we have to multiply it with the 4 because we have to calculate the capacity of 4 such tubs. That's why we have to multiply with the 4. Now here we have to add 8 4 times. 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. Or in short, in the multiplication form, we can write 8 into 4. Now again, here we have to add 10 4 times. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. Or in short, we can write in multiplication form 10 into 4. Then 10 into 4 is 40. 10 fours are 40 plus 8 fours are 32. Total is 72. In both of these methods, we can solve it, the multiplication. Okay. One example I have done for you with both of these methods, by repeated addition, by box method. Other problem you have to solve by your own in your notebook. Represent the amount in the following table using the given set of notes and coins. You can use a note or a coin any number or times. Also write how many times you have used a note or coin. See children, here you have to represent this amount by using these coins and notes. Okay, and here you have to write down how many times you use this to make this amount. Here one example is given. To make the 255, it has taken 2 notes of 100 means 200, then 2 notes of 20 means 40 rupees, then 1 note of 10 means 50 rupees, and 1 coin of 5 rupees means total amount is 255. You have to make for other amount also same here. Now next, revising multiplication and division. Here use box multiplication method to solve the following question in your notebook. Just now I have explained how to solve the multiplication by using the box method. Like this you have to solve these problems. Okay, next one, complete the multiplication fact given by your teacher in your notebook. Let's see the multiplication facts. Multiplication facts. In multiplication, the number being multiplied is called the multiplicand. This is the multiplicand. And the number by which it is being multiplied is called multiplier. This is the multiplier. We are multiplying 8 by 5. That's why 8 is multiplicand and 5 is multiplier.
or we can say factor also to both of them. And the answer what we are getting is called product. The next point, the product of any number multiplied by 0 is 0. For example, 6 multiplied by 0, answer is 0. Third point, the product of any number multiplied by 1 is equal to the number itself. For example, we are multiplying 6 multiplied by 1, answer is 6. 6 ones are 6. If 7, 7 ones are 7, means the product of any number multiplied by 1 is that number itself. This is the multiplication fact.
Whatever multiplication fact just now I have told you, you have to write down in your notebook. Next, solve the following question using the number line. 21 divided by 3. Okay, now you have to solve it. Here, as you know that division means we have to do the repeated, nothing but the repeated subtraction. Okay, here is the number 21. We have to subtract repeatedly number 3 till we will get the 0. Okay, 1, 2, 3 digit we are subtracting. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Like this. Then this one. Then this one. This one. Then this one. What we are doing? We are repeatedly subtracting the number 3. Because here what it is given, 21 divided by 3. That's why we are repeatedly subtracting the number 3. Then how many times we have subtracted the number 3? This one is the 1, this one is the 2, this one is the third time, this one is the fourth, this one is the fifth, this one is the sixth, and this one is the seventh time. Means we have subtracted number 3 7 times. Means 21 divided by 3, answer is 7. One example I have done for you, other example you have to do, children. A pizza has 8 slices. Someone eats half of it. How many slices are left? Half means 1 by 2. That's why here 8 divided by 2. Then what will come? Here you can use the simple table method. Means you have to read the 2's table till 8 will come. Here 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8. Then answer is 4. How many slices are left? 4 slices left. The other examples you have to do, children.
Solve the following using repeated subtraction. Let's solve it.
A pencil box has 14 pencils in it and a child uses 7 pencils in a week. For how many weeks will the pencil last? Means we have to divide 14 divided by 7. Okay, 14 divided by 7 is equal to how much we have to calculate. We have to do this with the help of repeated subtraction. Let's do 14. We are doing here repeated subtraction. Minus 7. 14 minus 7, 7. Here we have done subtraction first time. We are done here first time. First time we have done the subtraction. Now next time again 7 divided by 7 minus 7, 0. Here again we have done the repeated subtraction second time. Second time. Here we get 0, means we have done first time and second times. Means 14 divided by 7 is equal to 2. How?
Write multiplication and division facts for each of the following picture. Here we have to write first multiplication fact. Here in each
circled 2 stars are there. And how many circles are there? 3. Okay, that's why if you want to write in the multiplication fact, then 3 circle multiplied. How many stars are there in each circle? 2. 2. We will get the answer 3 2s are 6. Total how many stars are there? 6 stars are there. Okay. Now same we have to write for the division facts. Then here how many total stars are there? 2 plus 2 plus 2, 6 stars are there. 6 divided by how many circles are there? 3. It is divided into the 3 groups. That's why 6 divided by 3 is equal to, answer will be 3 2s are 6. Answer will be 2. Okay, means in each circle 2 stars are there. This is the multiplication fact and this is the division fact. Same you have to do for the others also. Now next page, solve the following in your notebook. Here, when you multiply a number by 10, a 0 is put at its end. For example, 10 multiplied 8 is equal to 80. This 0 will carry to this place. Okay, 10 multiplied 8 is equal to 80, or 8 tens are 80. It means 10 times 8 is 80. Yes, 80 means 10 times 8. Okay. Next, first word problem. Garima planted 10 shrubs in a row. If there were 6 such rows, how many shrubs does she have now? Let's solve. Garima planted 10 shrubs in a row. Garima planted 10 shrubs in a row. If there were 6 such rows, means 10 multiplied by 6. If there were 6 such rows, how many shrubs does she have now? Now, just now I have tell you, if when we multiply a number by 10, the 0 is put at its end. Okay. For example, 10 multiply 6 is equal to 60. Okay. Answer will be 60 here. Okay. Solve the other example like it is given here also. Use division as repeated subtraction to solve the following question in your notebook. By the repeated subtraction also you can do, or by this method also, but table method also you can do. To solve them quickly, read the table up to the number you want to divide. For example, to divide 12 by 3, read the table of 3 up to number 12 will come in this table. Means 3 4s are 12. In 3's table, 12 come at 4th level. 3 4s are 12. Like this also you can solve, and by the repeated subtraction also you can solve. In the beginning I have explained how to do the repeated subtraction. Hope children you all have understood the concept of repeated subtraction, multiplication facts and all. Okay, we will meet in next session. Till that time, have a nice day. Goodbye. Thank you children.